தண்ணீர் ஈரேருலகின் தேவாமிர்தம், பூ உலகின் மூல ஆதாரம். விண்ணிலிருந்து வீழும் வைரம் தண்ணீர், மண்ணில் அதை காக்காவிடில் கண்ணீர்.
Warm greetings to one and all present here. We, the students of Vidya Mandir at Estancia, Vallancheri, explore the journey of water in our school. Our school is situated about 3 kilometers from Guduvancheri, Kanchipuram district. What makes this project so important to us is the fact that the government of Tamil Nadu has declared Guduvancheri as a drought area where resources of water has to be monitored and maintained. The alarming pace of which the Nandivaram lake is encroached upon only makes the alarm bells ring louder. As in the case when drops make an ocean, so is our study in school campus. This is our contribution to the government to help and improve sustainability. I request you all to join with us to enjoy the journey of water treatment in Vidya Mandir at Estancia.
Water, the precious natural resource from Mother Nature. Our school, Vidya Mandir at Estancia, is situated in a township that covers an area of 3 acres. Our school has enough water supply throughout the year. The inlet and outlet water system is well established inside the school. The total strength of our school, including the staff, is 760. Every person is provided with sufficient water throughout the year.
We have a well-planned inlet water system in our school. The storage facilities available are a borewell sump that stores 1 lakh liters of water every day. The water is then pumped to the overhead tank. From there, it is distributed to the taps in restrooms and reverse osmosis plant for drinking purpose. The wastewater from the restrooms are carried to the sewage treatment plant for recycling. The treated water from STP is used in restroom flushes and for watering the garden.
Our school VME has an exclusive sewage treatment plant set up to recycle the wastewater. The recycled water is used in the gardens and in the toilets. The water takes about 8 hours to get recycled. The sewage water goes to the collection tank, aeration tank, settling tank and the clarifier. The water used in the school is collected in the collection tank. No filtration process takes place here. This water is then pumped into the aeration tank where urea, diammonium phosphate, cow dung are mixed together to stimulate the formation of microlide lincosamide streptogramin bacteria, which is a resistant bacteria that helps in the decomposition of waste in the water. The blower in the aeration tank provides the MLS air required for its respiration. The air is most important for MLS and is very harmful to humans.
Water is now allowed to pass through the settling tank where a fan rotates to remove the waste and it gets collected in the clarifier, which has 2 filters, active carbon filter and the pressure stand filter. The treated water is sent to the filtration tank where the pH value is tested. It should be 7 to 7.5 or else the process will be repeated again. The solid waste passes through the pressure shaft where it is solidified and is being used as fertilizers. The filtered water is pumped from the STP to the overhead tank twice a day. Approximately 60,000 to 80,000 liters are used per day. The water is used in the flushes of restroom and for watering the school garden.
The rainwater harvesting system of our school is designed in such a way that a large portion of our school ground is kept open without cemented floors. This helps in increasing the water table considerably as almost all the rainwater sweeps directly into the ground.
To create an awareness about the conservation of water, we, the students of VME, displayed posters and banners on the topic water conservation inside our township for 3 consecutive days. We feel proud to share with you that by working on this project, we learned the importance of water to sustain life.
We use and reuse our water resources. We never let it go out of our school. Thank you.